Hi guys, this is Divyansh and today in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A71. So let's start the video. So guys, this is the box for the Samsung Galaxy A71 as you can see, and this is already open because guys I got it in the shop and I opened it there itself. And guys, let's check out what inside the stuff. You have to just wait for it to open, and it is open guys as you can see, and you have a pamphlet over here. You have to just check it out and it will definitely contain the booklets that we get usually with the box and you can see the sim ejector pin is over here. And guys, you can take out a case. As you can see, this is the case that has been provided, and these are some of the, let me keep that side, and these are some of the manuals that you are getting with the box that you're getting with the phone, and nothing but just manuals, paperwork. And guys, this was the case that you are getting with this smartphone, and this is the smartphone which I was talking about. So this is the guys, so this is the Samsung Galaxy A71, and as you can see from the front guys, it looks really cool, I think so, in this color. And guys, as you are seeing, this is the smartphone. Let me keep this to the side for right now. And in the box you're getting a fast charger guys. So this is a Samsung 25 watt fast charger that you're going to get. And guys, this is a fast charger and it has a USB connector, as you can see, USB-C connector, so that's a good thing. And these are the earphones that you are going to get with the and these are this generally has a headphone jack, fortunately. So it is a headphone jack connector that you're getting, earphone Samsung, nothing special. And this is a USB type C to type C cable that you will be using for charging. So let me keep this all to the side for right now, and let's have a look at the handset itself. And guys, this is the smartphone. As you can see, I have applied a screen guard from the shop itself, because I generally used to baby my smartphones guys. That would be very laughing thing, but I used to baby my smartphones because I love smartphones guys. This is the reason for this YouTube channel, nothing else. And guys, let me just power before powering it on, let me give you a physical overview. On the top, as you can see, we have a secondary noise cancellation microphone. On the right side guys, we have the power on off button. This is the power on off button guys, and just above that we have the volume rockers, volume up and down, and they give a tactile feel, so they are very good to press. On the bottom we have a single speaker, your primary microphone, USB type C connector, a 3.5mm headphone jack, that's a good thing. And guys, on this end we have the SIM tray. So let's check out what's the SIM, how you are getting the SIM. So let me take out the SIM ejector tool, and guys, let me just check what is how you're getting what. So guys, it's a good thing you're getting a dedicated slot for micro SD card, as you can see, and you can put both your SIMs in this, and you can operate. So this is dual SIM plus memory card. So this thing I like about this smartphone. So let's just pop it inside, and let's turn on the smartphone. And guys, regarding the spec, this one has the new Snapdragon 730G inside itself. And guys, it has 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. So regarding RAM and storage also, I don't have any issue. And as you can see, the boot up screen just got, and it's writing Samsung right now. And guys, this is my first unboxing guys in this channel, mobile phone, regarding a smartphone. So guys, just hit the like button if you are liking the video till now. And guys, this is the front first screen that you are seeing. I'll be setting up the device in another video guys. So this was the unboxing of this Samsung Galaxy A71. Guys, coming to the camera, the Samsung Galaxy A71 possesses a quad rear camera and a single front facing camera. The single front facing camera is a 32 megapixel sensor, while the quad camera contains a 64 megapixel main camera and a 13 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. And there are two set of cameras for macro and depth, and each are of 2 megapixels. And guys, these are some of the shots that I've taken with the camera of the Samsung Galaxy A71. And as you can see guys, the shots come out to be pretty good. The 64 megapixel camera is doing a good job. As you can see with the Note 10 Lite image, it has very good details. And this is the Apple Watch Series 3 guys that I'm using, and it also came out good. Now this is with the front facing camera. I'll talk about the front facing camera in the later part. This was with the macro mode. And guys, this was taken with the normal 64 megapixel mode, and this was a photo taken of Saraswati, so it's also good. Basically guys, the rear camera is good 90% of the times. As you can see, it is producing good colors and vibrant photographs. This was with the wide angle lens, and guys, this was again with the ultra wide angle lens guys, and as you can see, and this was with the normal mode. The photos come out to be good. This was of the picture of Ganesha, and as you can see, it has blur. And guys, this was again a photograph, and guys, this was the photograph of Krishna, and it also come out good. But in this photo I feel it's sort of blur. And guys, this was the photo of the ROG phone 2 that I've been using right now. And guys, this is also came out very good. So guys, the camera performances, and guys, this was regarding the camera performance of the Samsung Galaxy A71. Overall, the rear camera looks pretty good for the price that you're getting. Also, it contains details, and the 64 megapixel camera is doing a fantastic job guys, I think so. And guys, this product is a good product. If you want to buy a Samsung product, this product I can easily recommend at about 33,000 rupees. But guys, I cannot compare it with the OnePlus 70 because its price just 2,000 above. The OnePlus 70 is now coming at 35,000. So guys, I have to really test it. And guys, the camera performance is basically good, and the front facing camera guys, Samsung can improve. I cannot comment on that because I have not shown you many samples regarding that. And guys, I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, do hit the like button guys, and also subscribe to my channel. And this is Divyansh, and I'll meet you in my next video. Take care guys.